G'day guys, today we are going to be building this aeroplane. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. Make sure you give your wood a good clean before you start anything on there. You want to take off the edges so they're nice and smooth and rounded off. Use whatever materials are available to you as long as they're going to be safe. We're using a flat disc here, and that will clean up the wood nice and easily. You can usually find them anywhere as well as your grinder, so it's a cheap way to do this. For this propeller and the steering wheel for our aeroplane here, we found some old bike tyres, and we're going to spruce them up a little bit to make sure that they're going to do the job. So when you're putting these seesaws together as the wings of this aeroplane, starting off by finding the middle point in the timber, drilling 2 holes through there and bolting that up really tight. First we're going to attach the wood to the main truck tyre. Second we're going to pop on the bumpers on the very ends. Make sure that those tyres are nice and clean, no sharp edges sticking out there. And then also we've got the pieces that are going to sit next to the tyre, just so little hands can't get crushed underneath there. We're using lag bolts to bolt in the tyres into the wood. Lag screws work really well because they've got the thread on them, so it's going to be much harder for them to be pulled out, especially when there's a lot of movement in there. With the bumpers, that's going to be constantly in motion, so that'll really help to secure it tightly. Finally, once it's in the ground, we can bolt it all together with the connectors, so that will mean that all the seesaws will move with the others. One of the great parts about this design of the aeroplane wing is that they've got these connection pieces here made out of tyre tread, and that means that when one piece goes up, it'll affect the rest of the seesaws on the other end. If you got one kid jumping up, it'll mean the other kid on the other seesaw is going down. So lots of fun, this one, lots of cooperative play. So because this piece is quite detailed, there's a lot of different elements going on here. Grab yourself one of these step-by-step plans. It'll go through each step along the way, making it much easier for you to follow along and get everyone who's building it on the same page. Aeroplane. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.